If you want to make $500 a day in 2026, here is the truth. It's not about luck as many people think. It's not about being early, and it's not even about being an expert. It's about understanding the market, what it wants to pay for, choosing one business model, and executing correctly for 90 days. I've built multiple six-figure businesses with the methods I'm about to show you in this video. If you're starting from scratch or you're just trying to scale your company, everything here applies for you. First, you need to understand the math of $500 a day. It's not a crazy number. It's one client paying $500, or two clients paying $250, or even 5 customers at $100. The problem is most people chase $10 deals and wonder why they're stuck. A $10 product needs 50 sales a day just to hit $500 in that day. A $500 product or service, it just needs one sale. So the learning from this is that you need to stop building businesses that solve tiny problems. Nobody pays high amounts for small inconveniences. There are 3 pillars that every business sits on. Pillar 1 is that you must solve an expensive problem. Pillar 2 is that you must use leverage, AI, automation. Pillar 3 is that you must allow your efforts to compound instead of starting from zero every month and trying to do something new every second month. Now, let's just break these down a little bit deeper. If you want to be paid well, you need to solve something painful, urgent, or costly for your customer. Here are just a couple of examples of painful and expensive problems that I have. So first of all, a business that cannot get customers, a business that is wasting time on admin tasks instead of revenue, that's super common. A business that's losing money because of poor marketing, slow follow-ups, or missed appointments, that's even more common. It's insane when I see these businesses with this problem. These are true expensive problems, and expensive problems, they get bigger budgets. Cheaper problems, well, they barely even get a conversation. Now, if you want to leverage to make $500 a day, and you want to do it consistently, you can't just rely on manual work. You'll burn out, and realistically, AI can handle 80% of tasks nowadays. Repetitive tasks like copywriting, content ideas, research, templates, sales scripts, the list goes on. When AI handles that grunt work, your time should be focused on the high leverage tasks, things that actually grow your income. Then when it comes to compounding, most people never even reach $500 a day or even anywhere close to that or beyond it because they don't compound. Most people quit before that compounding kicks in. Month 1 feels slow, month 2 feels slightly better. Then month 3, all of a sudden, everything clicks. It's not magic, it's just the effect of improved skill sets, improved systems, more content, more testimonials, social proof, case studies, credibility, and more reach. The work that you did last month or the month before, it just multiplies this month going forward. Now, let me tell you about the business models that I would use if I was trying to get to this point in my business. The simple one is AI services handled by AI. Offer a service that businesses already pay for. Content creation, short form editing, content repurposing, email marketing, lead generation, appointment setting. You can look into these businesses and see what they spend their money on. And it doesn't really matter which you choose as long as the problem is expensive. And these work because businesses are already spending money in these areas. They're spending money on their marketing, their operations, their admin tasks. And your paying is simply to save them money and actually save them time and the stress of all of this. 2 or 3 clients at $2,000 a month, that gives you $6,000 every single month. That's around $200 a day from each client. Now, the question becomes, how do I actually get clients in the first place, Mike? All this makes sense, but I can't get clients. So the process is simple. You need to create value-driven content, show before and after examples. So before you went into a business and after. Get free clients to do this work for, or make case studies, demos. Send at least 10 personalized outreach messages per day and offer a free sample, maybe an audit. Show the potential clients how they have these problems now, but you can solve that for them. Model B is high-ticket digital products. So you can create a transformation in digital form. You can price it between $497 and $997. Build a video sales letter. It's simple. It takes 15 or 20 minutes to do. You need this to explain the problem that they have, the opportunity that you can give them, your story, why you're doing this, and don't just say you're doing it for money. Your solution and then the transformation. Then you need to have that content running so you can send traffic to the video. If 2% convert, you only need 50 people per day watching this. 1 sale per day, that's your 500. The beauty of this model is that you can scale. Once you have that product built, you can sell it over and over again, and you don't really need to do much fulfillment. You just need to focus on your content and getting the views. Model C is coaching or consulting. When you're helping businesses, you can charge $2,000 to $5,000 per month pretty easily. But you want to help these clients reach a life-changing transformation. The topics vary, but all coaching boils down to is this. You help someone that's in point A get to point B faster than they could do it themselves. Model D is affiliate marketing with high ticket offers. You can promote other people's products. If you can bring views from content, it honestly becomes quite easy, but you don't want to focus on low ticket stuff that's not very desirable. You could do affiliate marketing for high ticket courses, masterminds, education products, software companies, and I would actually focus on building short form content using these platforms that you're doing affiliate for. Your audience grows, you start collecting emails, you send emails on how you're using these digital products, and you get commission on the back end when someone else purchases. All you do is create content, there's no fulfillment. So let me give you a quick 90-day roadmap on how you should pursue all this. Month 1 is choosing your model. Learn the core skills, study the competitors, create a simple offer, undercharge or even do free work in the beginning if you need to build those case studies and the credibility. Get one sale, even if it's free, get one case study and testimonial. That is your simple goal for month 1. Month 2 is building your systems. So you need to improve your delivery speed. You need to pick a pricing model that makes sense. Now you can actually create value and get paid for it. Batch your work, create a content schedule. Start using AI to help you on this journey. Do daily outreach for 30 minutes to an hour. I guarantee you'll get 3 to 5 clients in this time frame. Month 3 is all about scaling. Turn everything into a repeatable system. So you need to create a simple onboarding process. You need to duplicate that monthly revenue. Start creating a wait list so demand even gets higher. You can increase prices again, start pushing money into ads. By day 90, you should be very close, if not beyond, $500 a day. Your goal here with all this is about consistency, not perfection. And honestly, even if you don't reach this in 90 days, just keep pushing. There is no question about it. If you're consistent on a daily basis, you'll smash that within 6 months. But here are some mistakes that absolutely destroy momentum for people. Doing everything manually instead of using AI, trying 5 business models at once or chopping and changing every second week, staying silent instead of posting content. But the worst thing is people quit too early. I see this all the time. But if you have accountability and you have someone there with you that's making sure you're doing the motions, getting through those daily tasks, you'll get a lot further. So get an accountability partner, whether that's a coach, a mentor, or just a friend.